Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual token that uses cryptography to secure its transactions and to control the creation of new units. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not subject to government or financial institution control. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, was created in 2009. In this video, we will explain what cryptocurrency is, how it works, and the different types of cryptocurrencies. We will also discuss the pros and cons of cryptocurrency and provide some tips for investing in cryptocurrency. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual token that uses cryptography to secure its transactions and to control the creation of new units. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not subject to government or financial institution control. How does cryptocurrency work? Cryptocurrencies are based on a technology called blockchain. Blockchain is a distributed database that is shared among the nodes of a computer network. As a result, blockchain is very secure and resistant to hacking. When a cryptocurrency transaction takes place, it is recorded on the blockchain. This transaction is then verified by the other nodes on the network. Once the transaction is verified, it is added to the blockchain permanently. Types of cryptocurrencies. There are thousands of different cryptocurrencies in existence. Some of the most popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Litecoin, LTC, Dogecoin, Doji, Tether, USDT, Binance Coin, BNB, Cardano, ADA, Solana, SOL, Avalanche, AVAX, Terra, Luna, USD Coin, USDC. Pros and cons of cryptocurrency. Pros. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not subject to government or financial institution control. Cryptocurrencies are secure and resistant to hacking. Cryptocurrencies can be used to send and receive payments quickly and easily, without the need for a bank or other financial institution. Cryptocurrencies can be used to invest in new projects and businesses. Cons. Cryptocurrencies are volatile, meaning their prices can fluctuate wildly. Cryptocurrencies are not yet widely accepted as a form of payment. Cryptocurrencies are complex and can be difficult to understand. Tips for investing in cryptocurrency. If you are considering investing in cryptocurrency, there are a few things you should keep in mind. Do your research. Before you invest in any cryptocurrency, it is important to understand how it works and what the risks are. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency is a volatile investment, and you could lose all of your money. Start small. If you are new to cryptocurrency, it is best to start by investing a small amount of money. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all of your eggs in one basket. Invest in a variety of different cryptocurrencies to reduce your risk. Be patient. It takes time to build wealth through cryptocurrency investing. Conclusion. Cryptocurrency is a new and exciting technology, but it is important to understand the risks before investing. If you are considering investing in cryptocurrency, do your research and invest only what you can afford to lose.